The Samsung Galaxy Fold isn't the only flexible screen in town. Briefly demoed by computer giant Lenovo, the ThinkPad X1 folding prototype shows what happens when you apply those same design ideas to a bigger screen and more powerful hardware. In this case, it's a 13-inch 4x3 OLED 2K display. When fully open, it looks like a large Windows slate or an iPad Pro. Fold it over and you have a 9.6-inch screen along with the same size on-screen keyboard on the bottom half. During a hands-on demo session with an early but highly functional prototype, we saw a variety of ways to use the device, which still doesn't have a formal name. Folded into a clamshell shape, its on-screen keyboard worked as well as any we've tried, which is to say, functional but takes some practice. But flexible screens, while still a hot topic, are also a big question mark right now. The most visible flexible screen launch, Samsung's Galaxy Fold, has been pushed back by reports of easily broken units, leaving the category with a black eye before it even gets started. Lenovo hopes to avoid a similar rollout. Unlike the Galaxy Fold, there was no awkward top layer on the screen that might tempt someone to peel it off. The edges of this flexible display also seem better sealed than on the Fold, and Lenovo says it's testing the device for double the hinge cycles of a typical laptop. The company is well aware of the issues the Fold had and claims it can avoid them. Now, who's the audience for something like this? The X1 will be pitched at frequent travelers, business executives, and of course tech enthusiasts who want to be the first one with something new and cool. Can something like this replace your regular PC? Parts of it certainly seem very laptop-like. It'll have an IR webcam, 2 USB-C ports, and a Wacom stylus. And it runs on an Intel Windows platform, although there's no set CPU version or Windows version yet. Also unknown, the price, exact name, or release date beyond sometime in 2020. All these details are, you might say, flexible.